What up, world? We back here again. What we getting done, y'all? What we getting done? We back here again, y'all. Seemed like we was just here. Uh-oh. Got the big boy Jeep. What they say? SRT? Yes, sir. Getting some muffler work done. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, guys. We got it back on. Yes, sir. Yeah, I know. Big boy, 5 inches. Look at that. If you can't stick your fist in there, it ain't a real 5-inch. They're a little farther down than what I wanted. So when I get my muffler deleted or whatever, I get all this taken care of, they can raise it up. But as of right now, this is how it looks. Let's see how it sounds. Sound a little different, y'all. Sound a little different. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Shout out to them.